How does a letter of instruction fit into my estate plan? Using a variety of estate planning tools and tactics, your estate plan should be specifically created to accomplish your individual goals and objectives. These estate planning documents are all crucial tools for safeguarding your loved ones, your property, and yourself. However, you might still sense that something is lacking. Stay tuned to see how a personal letter of instruction could be that missing component. The majority of people choose a last will and testament as the cornerstone of their thorough estate strategy. You can choose a guardian for minor children, gift property, and name an executor for your estate in a will. It won't, however, explain why you chose to choose a sibling as the executor rather than your spouse, or why you decided not to distribute your inheritance evenly among your children. You could also incorporate a trust, into which you would transfer assets and can assist you achieve a number of goals. However, a trust agreement is not the best location to provide specific instructions regarding the maintenance of those assets, or the rationale for why you choose to transfer those assets down in staggered disbursements. An advance directive can specifically authorize an agent to make healthcare decisions on your behalf in the event that you are unable to do so yourself. It also allows you to make some healthcare decisions in advance, but it can't explain why you chose to do those actions. You might want to write a letter of instruction to give extra instructions or to give an explanation of the decisions you took. What is a letter of instruction? Your estate plan may contain a letter of instruction if you need to give instructions or explanations that aren't contained elsewhere in the document. The explanations and directions you provide are not legally enforceable against anyone, but the details you provide may be very important to the success of your overall strategy. A letter of instruction is frequently used for the following purposes. Describes where your estate planning documents are located, as well as any other important documents. Gives a list of all your possessions along with the account numbers or login information needed to access each one. Lists the names and phone numbers of the persons who should be contacted following your passing, leaving behind guidelines for maintaining property. This is your chance to justify your actions, such as if you disinherited a kid or made a sizable donation to charity, stating your wishes for your burial and funeral. Do I need a letter of instruction? In the end, you should only decide to include a letter of instruction after speaking with your estate planning attorney. Your loved ones will ultimately benefit from anything you can do to make your executor's job simpler. Having a letter of instruction in your estate plan can aid in avoiding disputes in the future. Explaining the reasoning behind any provisions in your estate plan that are likely to spark dispute or hostility will help your executor defend your wishes in the event that litigation cannot be avoided or serve to prevent it altogether. For more information or to contact us, please visit our website at schomerlawgroup.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any future videos.